Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our IPSY Glam Bag Plus, okay? And this is for the month of June. Don't let the box throw you. It did throw me too, so I went ahead and I opened it so I could make sure this wasn't IPSY Glam Bag X. Okay, so rest assured this is the Glam Bag Plus. So let's just jump in and see what is in our Glam Bag Plus for the month of June. Since there is no longer a card that comes with it, we'll go back and forth. I'm going to pull it up online and see exactly what's inside. Okay, so let's get started. So let me just start off by saying I do see why they put it in a box, because there are some products this month that were a little bit too large for the bag. Okay, so let's start off by saying this is our Glam Bag Plus of the month. Okay, the little popsicle look here on the bag. I do like this one. I like this one. I learned that they are more fun than anything. Okay, oh, there we go. So when we open it up, we have an information card which says stock up for summer. All right, and this is just letting you know about the red, white, and beauty sale that's coming up. However, our theme for June is show your colors. All right, and it lets you know about 5 ingredients for a full powered glow. Okay, there you go. All right, so let's see what we have here. So the first item that I have is by Fenty Beauty. This is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter, and this is in the shade Mo Honey. Okay, now as we open it, I just want to read you a couple things. It says this is a 75-gram size, which is full size, and it is a highlighter, and it says this cream to powder highlighter instantly lights up your face with supercharged bronzed champagne shimmer pigments. And those pigments blend without streaking or creasing, okay? And it says this one, the manufacturer suggested retail price is $36. Now, this one I definitely like because I can't do the other one that's super golds. If y'all saw my last video, you understand about the super goldness of it all. But we are going to go ahead and swatch it. And this is what it looks like on my skin, which I do like. I do like. All right, the second item that I have is by Benefit Cosmetics, and this is the Brow Styler, and it says triple your styling power, soft and full powder, clean and shaped wax pencil, bold and defined wax pencil plus powder. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It is a 0.88 ounce size. And as I stated, it is a brow styler, and it says this dual-ended styler is all you need to create a variety of brow looks, from soft and fluffy to bold and defined. On one end is a wax pencil that's perfect for sculpting and shaping, and on the other is a loose powder that's great for filling and adding volume. Okay, and the shade that I have is warm medium brown, and this is what the product looks like. I love Benefit's brow products. I definitely do, but this is what it looks like. And of course, well, we'll go ahead and pop it open. Here's the pencil. on the top and the powder on the bottom, okay? So this one is item number 2. Now, both of those items were chosen for me by IPSY. You know, that's how they do it. They choose 2 and you get to go in and you choose the other 3. So everything you see from here on out, these 3 products I have chosen for myself. And the first one is by Mitchell and Peach, and this is the English Leaf Body Oil, okay? And it says this is a 100 milliliter size, and it is a body oil, and it says inspired by the French Foxbury Farm Estate in the English countryside. This unique almond oil blend contains botanical extracts and conditioning vitamin E, okay? And it says apply a small quantity to skin and massage gently. Okay, so let's see what the packaging itself looks like, which is this right here. It has a nice kind of clean smell to it. Okay, I put it on my arm. I didn't put a whole lot on, but it didn't leave me with that oily kind of film on it. So this may just work for me. It may just work for me. At least that's what I was hoping when I chose it. Okay, so then the next item that I have is by Jowari Skincare, and this is the Radiance Enzyme Scrub, okay? And this one is, you know, I just realized that I didn't give you the price of these other items, but I will put them on the screen so that you can see it. But this one is an exfoliator, and it is a 2.5 fluid ounce size. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $44, and it says this 3-in-1 treatment uses skin smoothing apple enzymes, pore minimizing ginger, and tiny buffing beads made out of bamboo to cleanse, gently exfoliate, and help brighten your skin in one easy step. I'm here for that part. So when I saw it, that was the reason why. I have an exfoliator, and for some reason I used this one and it broke my face out. So I have to find out exactly what was in that product so that that is not something I ever use again. So, all right, this one has a 6-month shelf life, and it is cruelty free. All right. And it says use 3 to 4 times per week. Gently massage onto damp skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 1 to 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Okay. As much as I want to open it, 6-month shelf life, I don't want to do that because I can't say for certain that I would use it all or even start using it before that 6 months is up. Okay, and our last item is by Mishka Beauty, and this is the nail duo in Serving Beauty and Rendezvous. And it says this chic combo of neutral beige and muted teal lacquers coats nails in ultra shiny chip resistant color that looks gorgeous on all skin tones. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $37, or should I say for these. Okay, so let's take a look. Oh, okay. Their packaging is really cute. If you remember last month, I showed you a nail kit, and it featured these products. But here's the teal shade, and here is the beige shade. Okay, so who knows, maybe the next time I'll come on here with my nails done with these. Okay, so that's everything that came in this box. We did get some complexion products. We got body oil, of course, our brow, and our highlighter. However, there is no eyeshadow palette in this month. Okay, so what do we think of this box? What do we think of this month's Glam Bag? Us. Well, I mean, I'm okay with it. I do like the mixture, but I'm telling you right now, I'm getting closer and closer to canceling because I'm starting to see a lot of things cross over from BoxyCharm to IPSY lately. So I'll either get rid of IPSY and keep BoxyCharm, or I will get rid of my BoxyCharm Premium, possibly. So we'll talk about that later on in a separate video. But I just want to tell you that I thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me today as we unboxed this month our IPSY Glam Bag Plus. And these are the items that are included inside. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was enclosed. Okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.